Hey everyone! Welcome to our journey of finding your yoga groove. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to deepen your practice, this guide is for you. So you're curious about yoga. That's fantastic. Yoga is more than just a workout. It's a way to connect with your body, mind, and spirit. It's a practice that has been around for thousands of years, offering countless benefits. Awesome. The mat welcomes everyone. No matter your age, size, or fitness level, there's a place for you in the world of yoga. It's a space where you can find peace, strength, and flexibility, but with so many styles, it can feel overwhelming. You might be wondering, where do I start? Or which style is right for me? And don't worry, we've got you covered. Don't worry, we're going to break down 3 popular ones: Power Yoga, Yin Yoga, and Bikram Yoga. Each of these styles has its own unique flavor and benefits, so you can find the one that resonates with you the most. Each style offers something unique. Whether you're looking for a vigorous workout, a meditative practice, or something in between, there's a yoga style for you. Power Yoga is all about strength and flow. It's a dynamic and physically demanding practice that builds heat, endurance, flexibility, and mental focus. If you love a good challenge and want to break a sweat, Power Yoga might be your go-to. Yin Yoga encourages deep stretches and stillness. It's a slower-paced style of yoga where poses are held for longer periods, allowing you to relax and release tension. If you're looking to unwind and find inner peace, Yin Yoga is perfect for you. Bikram Yoga brings the heat with a set sequence of poses in a warm room. Practiced in a heated environment, it helps to detoxify the body and improve flexibility. If you enjoy a structured practice and don't mind the heat, Bikram Yoga could be your ideal match. Finding the right style is like finding the perfect pair of yoga pants. It's all about what feels good for you. It's important to try different styles and see which one makes you feel the best, both physically and mentally. Let's explore these styles together so you can discover which one calls to your heart and body. Remember, yoga is a personal journey and there's no right or wrong way to practice. It's all about what feels right for you. Ready to roll out your mat and dive in? Let's go. Embrace the journey and enjoy every moment on your path to finding your yoga groove. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Your support helps us create more content to guide you on your yoga journey. Namaste. Power Yoga is like a dynamic dance between breath and movement. Think flowing sequences that build strength, flexibility, and stamina. Get ready to sweat. This style is perfect for those who love a good physical challenge. It's an invigorating practice that will leave you feeling energized and empowered. Power. Yoga is all about connecting to your inner strength and finding your power from within. It's a journey of self-discovery, both on and off the mat. Yin Yoga is all about slowing down and going inward. We hold poses for longer periods, typically 3 to 5 minutes. This allows us to access deeper layers of fascia, the connective tissue that wraps around our muscles. Yin Yoga is a beautiful practice for releasing tension and finding stillness in both body and mind. It's a great complement to more active forms of yoga or exercise. If you're looking for a practice that will help you unwind, de-stress, and cultivate a sense of inner peace, Yin Yoga might be just what you need. Get ready to sweat in Bikram Yoga. This style features a set sequence of 26 poses and 2 breathing exercises, all performed in a heated room around 105 degrees Fahrenheit. The heat helps to warm up the muscles, allowing for deeper stretches. It also promotes detoxification through sweating. Bikram Yoga is known for its physical and mental challenges. If you're looking for a disciplined practice that will push your limits and help you build both strength and flexibility, Bikram Yoga could be a good fit. Section 5. Who benefits from Power Yoga? Power Yoga is great for those who want a challenging workout that combines strength, flexibility, and cardio. It's perfect for athletes or anyone who wants to build stamina and endurance. This style can also be a great way to relieve stress and boost energy levels. If you're feeling sluggish or burnt out, Power Yoga can help you reconnect to your inner fire. Remember, listen to your body and modify poses as needed. Power Yoga is about finding your own edge, not pushing past your limits. Section 6. Who benefits from Yin Yoga? Yin yoga is beneficial for people of all levels, especially beginners. This practice is particularly welcoming for those who are new to yoga because it focuses on slow, mindful movements and long-held postures. Unlike more dynamic styles of yoga, Yin yoga allows you to ease into each pose, making it accessible for individuals who might feel intimidated by faster-paced classes. The emphasis on breath and stillness helps beginners build a strong foundation, fostering a deeper connection with their bodies and minds. It's a gentle yet powerful practice that can help improve flexibility, release tension, and calm the mind. By holding poses for extended periods, Yin yoga targets the deeper connective tissues such as ligaments, joints, and fascia. This can lead to increased flexibility and mobility over time. Additionally, the meditative aspect of Yin yoga encourages a state of relaxation and mental clarity, making it an excellent choice for those looking to reduce stress and anxiety. The slow pace allows practitioners to tune into their bodies, noticing subtle sensations and fostering a sense of inner peace. This style is also great for athletes looking to improve range of motion and prevent injuries. Athletes often experience tightness in their muscles due to repetitive movements and intense training. Yin yoga provides a counterbalance to these activities by promoting flexibility and releasing tension in the deeper tissues. Regular practice can enhance athletic performance by improving joint health and reducing the risk of injuries. It also offers a valuable opportunity for athletes to slow down, recover, and listen to their bodies, which is essential for long-term physical health and performance. If you sit for long periods, Yin yoga can help counteract the negative effects of prolonged sitting. Many people spend hours each day sitting at desks, which can lead to stiffness, poor posture, and discomfort. Yin yoga addresses these issues by gently stretching the hips, lower back, and shoulders, areas that are commonly affected by prolonged sitting. Incorporating Yin yoga into your routine can improve posture, alleviate back pain, and enhance overall well-being. It's a simple yet effective way to bring movement and balance into a sedentary lifestyle. Remember, Yin yoga is about finding stillness and surrendering to the present moment. This practice encourages you to let go of the need to achieve or strive, allowing you to simply be. By embracing stillness, you create space for introspection and self-awareness. This can lead to profound insights and a deeper understanding of yourself. Yin yoga teaches patience and acceptance, qualities that can be applied both on and off the mat. It's a journey of self-discovery and inner peace, where the focus is on the experience rather than the outcome. It's not about achieving the deepest stretch, but rather about finding what feels good in your body today. Each day, your body may feel different, and Yin yoga honors these variations. Props such as blocks, bolsters, and blankets can be used to support your practice, making it more comfortable and accessible. The goal is to listen to your body and respect its limits, allowing you to experience the full benefits of each pose. Yin yoga is a practice of compassion and self-care, where the journey is just as important as the destination. Section 7. Who benefits from Bikram yoga? Bikram yoga can be beneficial for those looking to improve flexibility, strength, and cardiovascular health. The heat can also help to reduce stress and promote detoxification. However, it's important to note that Bikram yoga is a very intense practice and may not be suitable for everyone. Always consult your doctor before starting any new exercise program. If you're new to yoga or have any health concerns, it's best to start with a gentler style like Hatha or Yin yoga before trying Bikram. Section 8. Starting your yoga journey. So you're ready to roll out your mat and begin your yoga journey. Amazing. Yoga is not just a physical practice. It's a holistic approach to well-being that encompasses the mind, body, and spirit. As you lay out your mat, take a moment to set an intention for your practice. This could be something as simple as finding peace or as specific as improving flexibility. Setting an intention helps to focus your mind and gives your practice a purpose. Remember, the most important thing is to listen to your body and honor your own pace. Yoga is not about pushing yourself to the limit. It's about finding balance and harmony within. If a pose feels uncomfortable, it's perfectly okay to modify it or take a break. Your practice should be a nurturing experience, not a stressful one. Always be mindful of your breath, as it is the bridge between your body and mind. If you're new to yoga, starting with a beginner-friendly style like Hatha or Vinyasa can be a great way to learn the basics. Hatha yoga focuses on basic postures and breathing techniques, making it ideal for beginners. Vinyasa, on the other hand, involves a series of poses that flow smoothly into one another, helping you build strength and flexibility. Both styles offer a solid foundation for your yoga journey. Yin yoga is also a wonderful option for beginners, as it's gentle and accessible. This style involves holding poses for longer periods, allowing you to stretch deeply and release tension. It's a meditative practice that encourages you to slow down and connect with your inner self. Yin yoga can be particularly beneficial for those looking to improve flexibility and reduce stress. As you gain experience, you can explore different styles and find what resonates with you. There are many types of yoga, each offering unique benefits. For instance, Ashtanga is a more rigorous style that can help build strength and stamina, while Kundalini focuses on energy and spiritual growth. Don't be afraid to try new styles and see what feels right for you. Your yoga journey is a personal one, and it's important to find a practice that aligns with your goals and needs. Remember, yoga is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the ride, whether you're practicing alone or with friends, indoors or outdoors. The key is to stay present and enjoy each moment. Yoga offers a path to self-discovery and inner peace, so embrace the journey with an open heart and mind. Namaste. Section 9. Listen to your body, find your flow. Ultimately, the best type of yoga for you is the one that you enjoy the most, and that fits into your lifestyle. There's no right or wrong answer. It's all about finding what feels good for you. Listen to your body, honor your own pace, and don't be afraid to explore different styles until you find your perfect fit. Namaste.